Our team conducted a 5-day filmmaking workshop at Nalanda Academy, Wardha. The entire workshop was built around one idea, that anyone can make films using just a mobile phone and free, open-source tools. No fancy cameras, no paid software, just everyday devices and accessible platforms that make filmmaking possible for everyone. Students and staff learned to write scripts, shoot videos, and edit films using only their phones. Our team guided them through each step, working alongside participants, demonstrating and encouraging hands-on practice. Over 5 days, they worked in groups and created 4 original short films. On the final day, the films were screened at the Academy. For many, it was the first time seeing their own stories on a big screen. This workshop wasn't just about learning how to make a film. It was about discovering that you already have the tools to tell your story. And that's all you need: a voice, a phone, and the will to begin.